Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your GoDaddy website builder. This is a fantastic way to showcase customer testimonials and build trust with potential clients visiting your site. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, head over to GoDaddy.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GoDaddy dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage and edit your site. You'll now be directed to your website overview page. On the right side of your screen, locate the Edit Site button and click on it. This opens up your website editor where you can make all the changes and additions you need. To add Google reviews to your GoDaddy website, scroll down through your page until you find the section where you'd like the reviews to appear. Once you've identified the perfect spot, click on the Add Section button with the plus icon. This action will bring up the Add Elements window on the right side panel of your screen. From the options available, click on Files and Web, then select HTML. An HTML editor window will appear, and this is exactly where we'll be placing your Google review widget in just a moment. Now open a new browser tab and navigate to elfsite.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the widgets option located at the top left part of your screen and click on it. You'll see a search bar appear. Type in Google Reviews, and from the search results, click on Google Reviews. A widget overview page will appear, giving you a sense of what this tool can do. From here, click on Create Widget for free. You'll now be presented with various Google review templates to choose from. Browse through them and select the one that best matches your website's style and the look you're going for. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue with this template. Now it's time to connect your actual business reviews. You'll need to add your business as the review source. In the field provided, enter your business name and address. As you type, your business should appear in the drop-down suggestions. Click on it to select it, then click on Add to Website for free. After that, click on Close in the top right part of your screen. You'll be directed back to your ElfSite dashboard where you can manage all your widgets. From your dashboard, locate the Google Review widget we just created. Click on the three-dot icon next to it, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Embed Code. This will display the code you need to integrate the widget into your site. Copy this entire code and then head back to your GoDaddy website editor tab. All you have to do now is paste the embed code into the HTML code editor we added earlier. Simply click inside that editor window and paste the code. Once the code is pasted, click on Done to finalize the addition. The widget should now appear on your website, displaying your Google reviews beautifully and professionally. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your GoDaddy website. This integration helps showcase your business's credibility and encourages new visitors to trust and engage with your services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.